Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. I have a quick little video today on a little flip about some journals that I made because I am like in a fall mood. I am so ready for fall, guys. It's so hot. It's like unreal how hot it is. So in my heart, summer is over and done with in my heart, even though, you know, I still want to do a couple little things, but I wanted to do some fall journals. And also the inspiration for these little journals is that, to be perfectly honest, I want to start to incorporate some of these, I'm calling them lighter journals, with my heavy duty, you know, weeks to make journals. So I'm trying to make some of my work so that some people can get to them. So I try to make this series. These are all the same. I'm going to try to do 2 more little series like this in the fall theme or in the warm colors. And I'm going to keep them a little bit simple. And a lot of it had to do with the way that I bound these. I'll show you in a bit. Binding them this way is a lot less work, less time consuming. It makes the job go faster. I don't feel comfortable using as many pages as I do when I hand bind them, when I sew them in. So this keeps my work to a lot less. And you know, they're still going to be pretty because I love making pretty covers. So they're still going to be pretty, but they'll be a little bit not as busy. So it'll bring the cost down a lot. I think I mentioned that before, that I wanted to start doing little things like that. So I made 5 of these. 2 of them already found a happy home. I just listed them last night and they already found a happy home. So let me show you what I came up with. Let me put all my little decor, cute little decor things. Look how pretty this is. I don't remember where I got this, but it reminds me of fall. So that goes there. And look at my pretty pin. I don't know where I got that either, but this also reminds me of fall. And it makes me happy looking at it against all my little boho fabric back here. So I'm going to keep it. So I did use, I'm back to doing boho. I love doing bohos and I love the warm colors of fall. But because it's so hot outside, I cannot, in my heart, I don't know, I cannot do like full fall. So I went with like a soft peachy, and I stressed it a little bit to make the edges burned. And then this is probably the last butterfly left in my garden. So that's what I was thinking of. So let me show you what I did. I'm going to list and link underneath everything that I use. I love this. I forgot this has like a name, and I just got it not too long ago from a really sweet lady. She has really pretty printables. I discovered her on Instagram. I'm going to link it underneath, and it's perfect for these little fabric flips. So it's all paper. It's like a paper journal, and I went with like a little floral with receipt, and then the front is also paper. And then I closed it with some of my German twine that I love. That's what I use as a closing, and it wraps around twice like that. It comes right off. And then for the front presentation, I have these 3 little items here, which are the little fabric flip. See how cute this is? It comes like that, and then you fold it over and you staple. It's beautiful. So it's just a little sample of some fabrics here that goes in the back. Then I have a really pretty journaling card that you can journal in the back, and I did a little collage here. And it's still, you know, roses, but they are like a peachy, so it kind of goes with the theme. So wait a minute, don't get all wrinkly. So that goes on there. And then I have this little card that I turn into a little envelope. I just sewed on the sides. I put a little bit of that fabric underneath here as a little backing for the butterfly, and then she's just there. And then inside there is a little journaling something in here that you can journal in, and that just flips like that. So that goes like that. This could be a really cute little, like one event journal, or like it could be like a Thanksgiving journal if you want it to be, or one event, or it could be a devotional, a gratitude journal. It's not too huge, so it fits. It's a little shorter than the standards that I do, and throw it in your purse, do whatever. And it's paper, but it's a little, you know, the paper, I backed it up, so it's a little sturdy. So for the front and the back is that receipt printable that I told you with the flowers, which is really pretty. I covered it. I just put a little thin layer of this fabric that I'm running out of. I have a little boho trim here. I wish I can find more of this. I love this. And then a little lace, gold lace, and then a little half of a little label. I went ahead and I ruffled some sari trim and cream, and I put it here. And then for the binding, which I did like a little exposed binding, all I did was I did the binding with ribbon, with sari silk ribbon, and it's a lot easier, guys, than when I do my heavy journals. And like I said, I think I have a count. Is it 20 or 20 something pages out front and back? I'll let you all know. I'll put it on the description below. So as long as I can keep it light like that, I think this binding will hold perfectly. The fact that the cover is a little sturdy because I backed it up with another fabric makes the binding a little, you know, like it's not going to open up. I mean, you're welcome to reinforce it, but I don't really think you need to with these amount of pages. I don't think you need to. I've got some brown underneath. And then I found that perfect little charm. I love this charm. Let me see if I can give you a little close up. Look how cute. Let me see if I can bring it up for you to see it. Let me see. I can just hold it still. It's like this really pretty bead. And it's got like little, like the setting on it is really pretty. And then this looks like a little shell or something. I love it. It's wood. It's really cute. I like the setting on it. It's really pretty. So that's the only little bead that I have here because I didn't want to make this too heavy. And then, like I said, for the here you can make a pocket. I'm going to try to put a few more little die cuts. I always like to mail something with my journals, just not by themselves. I'm going to try to add a few little more die cuts and maybe a little bit of laces, just a few little things so that you can add. There's plenty of room to add to this if you like. Like you can make a little pocket here, add whatever you like. But anyway, that's the front. This is a receipt of a printable. I love this. I think this is Ruby&Pearl. I'm not sure. What do I have here? Is it stuck a little bit? Yep. There's plenty of my coffee and tea dye papers. Let's see. Oh no, this doesn't come off. This is the pocket itself. I'm sorry. I haven't opened it too much. I made a little pocket here of a printable, and then there's a little receipt back here. So you can, of course, journal in the back if you like. And then this really cute journaling card with this really pretty sari fabric. Really cute. This goes back here. So what I did is that I went ahead and I glued all the way around here. You can sew if you like. I didn't do a lot of sewing. Like I said, I want to keep this at a reasonable, not so time consuming. A little bit of trim down here. Plenty of writing space. Plenty. I have another little ruffle here. This is my center page. And then here I made a cute little pocket out of a piece of burlap that I frayed. I added a little bit of sari right here and then a little tab here. And then here I have a little receipt with another really cute little journaling card. And then plenty of room to journal on. Another little ruffle tab. This is a plain plain brown sheer from a dress. This is not a sari, but it looks really pretty. Another messy tab up there. Some lace ruffle. Plenty of room, and this is the back. And then this came off some kind of outfit because you can see the for the button right here. And then that's the back. So yeah, guys, these are it. If you like these, let me know. I can make more and keep them like this. And like I said, I'm going to put some of the ephemera, a little bit more of the ephemera in here. I'm going to print some up. I'm going to add that with a little bit more of trims and stuff like that so that you can build and add into this. But the foundation I already did for you. Okay, so these I'm going to be listing. Let me know if you like them and if you like me to make some more like this. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.